We are going to move today to Flexi 8's, and we're going to combine that with Hairsticks. So the Flexi 8's are sized the same as the Flexi clips that you saw in the last video. So whatever size you wear in a Flexi clip, you're going to go with the same size in a Flexi 8. They're going to look bigger when you get them. So if you get an extra small, it's going to be bigger than your Flexi clip extra small. The reason for that is when the hair stick goes in, it takes up more room. Okay? But it's going to hold the same amount of hair as your extra small. There are real leather ones, there are faux leather ones, and there are beaded ones. Some wooden, some gemstones, some just general beads. I'm just going to show you really quick a couple of styles that you can do with the Flexi 8. And I'll just put my earring in my ear. And then a couple of things that you can do just with a hair stick. This one is my ponytail size. It's an extra small. So that's what I use when I just want a ponytail. And there we go. We're done. We have a ponytail. Now, I got it a little too loose, so I'm just going to pull it just like I would a regular ponytail to tighten it up and put it where I want it. And then I can still loosen my hair. I'll take those glasses off to get the glare off for you for that, okay? Now, if I want to do a twist or a bun or something like that, I do have to go up a size. So this one is a small. And I think this one is 2. Yeah, so this beaded one looks a little smaller, but it's the same size as this small. So you basically want to take your hair, make an L, flip. Now I like a tails up, but if you want to leave that hair in there like this, just keep twisting. And you can tuck those ends in. Of course, my hair is really long, so it's a little more complicated to tuck. And I'm just going to place that over. Put the hair stick in, go straight to your scalp, just like you did with the pin for the Flexi clip. And rub that across your scalp, grabbing the underneath hair. And it will come out on the other side. Okay, I'm going to do that again because I feel like I was leaning forward. You can pull as much hair up or down, I have no idea what this looks like, as you want to. And you've got lots of options to wear that, okay? Now let's talk about, now these can come with a suggested stick, or you can mix and match them. So my son's basketball team has green and white, so I got the green. And then I ordered a cream stick. So I will be game day ready. You can pair them with more decorative sticks. This is the daisy. I love this one. I don't think it really goes well with this one in particular, but I often wear it with this purple one, and I think they look really well together. All right. Now let's talk hair sticks. I'm just going to show you really quickly how to do a bun and a mini bun. I love these because when you buy the Flexi 8 and a hair stick, you can mix and match and wear them together, or you can wear the hair stick alone. Okay, so I've just made a simple bun. I'm going to put the stick in a little bit at an angle, again against the scalp, go across and push that out on the other side. And you have a secure bun all day. And if you want to, you can mix and match sticks. I'm not sure that's a great combo, but you get the idea. And do all sorts of fun things with that, okay? Now let's look at a mini bun. I do this one a lot when I want to wear my hair down because I don't like it in my face. Twist. And then same thing in scalp, across, and push, and you're done. You can also do that same thing. I haven't done this in a while, so I'm not sure which size. We're going to go with the extra small. These do not come in mini. In the extra small, it just doesn't work. So they don't make them. We don't want to sell you things that don't work. And so there, you can do that. Okay? If you want it to be a little looser where it's not smushing that bun, just go with this size. I like this beaded one for this kind of look. It's really pretty. So lots and lots and lots of options. And you can do a regular ponytail. Really cute with a low ponytail. Let's do that real quick. And you're done. Alright, that's it. Stay tuned. We'll do bobby pins next. I said that in the last video, but we're really going to do them next. I just thought it made more sense to do the Flexi 8 right after the Flexi clip because the sizing is the same and that puts those together for you and gives you lots of more options. Have a great day and I'll see you next time.